Hi there, it's Sam from poodles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It's a little 6x6 bag that opens up like that. You can put treats and sweets and yummy things inside. I'm going to be using magnets. If you're going to be giving this to children, don't give them magnets, or anybody with a pacemaker, or anybody who has issue, where you shouldn't be giving magnets. Use Velcro buttons, or maybe use ribbon to close it up. And I'm sorry, I'm having a great long text conversation with my son. I thought we'd finished, apparently not. Okay, this is using the most wonderful time of the year designer series paper, which is from the product suite, which I absolutely love. And I've really loved using the reindeer, but I fancied using bright, dark, sharp reds. And so that's why I've got this one, which has got the mistletoe on it. And then I'm going to hand cut, not from this sheet, but I wanted to show you the gorgeous golds that are in this pack of papers. And he sent it, oh, for goodness sake. So this one has got gold here on the mistletoe, and this one's got this here. So, oh, you need that 6x6 piece of paper. 6x6 piece of paper. Oh, my instructions have gone. Make sure your finger covers the entire sensor. There we go. I've got them written down as a pre-written blog post. It's complicated. Okay, so 6x6 inches, 15x15 centimetres. So you will need to trim yours down if you're metric. Score on one side at 1 inch. 1 inch, 2 3/4, 3 3/4, and 5.5 inches, which in metric is 2.5, 7, 9.5, and 14. Then you turn it and score it at 1 inch, 4 inches, 4.5, and that's it. I thought there was more coming. No, 1, 4, 4.5, 2.5, 10, and 11. So let's get this all burnished up. Like I said, I love this suite. It's a product medley, so you've got everything you need. You've got stamps, you've got dies, you've got paper, you've got stickers, and they're hard stickers. You've got tinsel trim. I've got stars that I thought, oh, I have got them out. Stars here, die cut stickers. Oh no, I've said that. It's lovely. I just really have enjoyed this suite very much. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the bottom. So the top is where you've got a double band, and then that bit, this is the bottom. So I'm going to cut this part first by removing the little skinny rectangle. And then I can establish that this will become the back, where this skinny part is. Oh, for goodness sake. I just, somebody dropping something through my letterbox and it's made me jump. Didn't see the postman. So this large panel here is the only one we're going to keep. We're going to get rid of the rest. So, but down to the first score line, not the second one. Down to the first one? No, sorry, it is. It is both of them. So all the way down. To the second of those score lines, and then just cut it all off. If you're not so brave with the scissors, use your trimmer. Okay, so that's all done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run some adhesive down here. And as I said, I know that this part is the back because that's going to come forwards. So I'm going to put adhesive along here. And then when you pinch in at the sides, because I've got this double crease here, you get a sort of like a gusseted top, because that makes sense to me. Okay, hang on to these panels and use your 1/2 inch circle punch, which is a little one, and some neodymium magnets. I get mine off eBay, and I buy them from a lady called Donna, who is Spider Magnets, and she sells them and sends them worldwide. So I'm going to punch out 4 little circles. And like I say, if you are gifting to children or anybody who shouldn't have magnets in close contact with them, Velcro buttons or yeah, or ribbon instead. So, right, let's aim for getting my Christmas tree on the inside the right way up. There we go. So that's one down, and that piece of paper is taking the stiffness out of it. Why did I cut 4? I don't know why I cut 4. Or punched them, I should say. I only needed 2. So I've just put my other magnet on top of there, so I know A, it's in place, but the polarity is the right way round. And gently press it in place and separate, and then come in with your fingers and press really firmly to make sure that's well placed. I really didn't need 4, did I? I'll pretend I didn't do that. And this one on here, and again press firmly. And that's your little box closed. And so all I need to do now is cut some little gifts out. And there's one. There's a little bit of kind of fussy cutting going on. Oops. And I'm going to have this one as well, because it's right there. And the third one, and I want a gold one. I'm going to take this one and do a lot of fussy cutting on this one. Let me just get it out of the way. Oh, actually, you know what? That's a good one. That long one there. Because the bow is on the front. There we go. So I've got a tall thin, sideways thin, and a regular one. And then my dimensionals for the back. So I want a full size one here. The thin strip there. My neighbour decided to rev up something. Tall thin there. And then to finish, one of these little gold stars, just where the magnet would be, to signify this is where you open it. And I love it. Cute, small, charming, and a lovely sharp red. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Whoopsie. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.